Good morning, children. Sairam. Continuing with our topic on HTML, today we shall learn about the attributes of paragraph tag and its execution. We have seen few HTML tags and their usage like heading tags H1, H2, paragraph tag P and other tags. We used them so far in their simplest form. But most of the HTML tags can also have attributes, which are extra bits of information. An attribute is used to define the characteristics of an HTML element and is placed inside the element's opening tag. All attributes are made up of two parts, a name and a value. The name is the property you want to set. For example, the paragraph tag element carries an attribute whose name is align, which you can use to indicate the alignment of paragraph on the page. So, the first part of the attribute is name, and in this example, the name is align. Now let us see the second part of the attribute. The second part of the attribute is the value. What is the value? The value is what you want the value of the property is to be set and is always put within quotations. The example shows three possible values of align attributes: left, center and right. Attribute names and attribute values are case insensitive. What does this mean? This means it accepts both uppercase as well as lowercase. Now let us see the example of paragraph attributes. The first element which we write is HTML. Then comes the head tag. Then comes the title tag. As we are learning attributes of paragraph tag, we can write the title as attributes of paragraph tag and close the title tag. Now close the head tag. Open the body tag. Then comes the paragraph tag. In the paragraph tag, if you see, we have started with P space align. Align is nothing but the name of the attribute is equal to left. Left is written in double quotes. The left is the name of the value. So how are you going to write? P space align is equal to, in the double quotes, left. Then close the opening tag and write the paragraph and close the paragraph tag. Similarly, for the center, P align is equal to center. Here align, the name of the attribute is not changed, whereas the value of the attribute is changed. What is the value here? It is center. This means your paragraph will be centered aligned. The third part is P space align is equal to right. This means your paragraph will be right aligned. Close the body tag and close the HTML tag. Children, before we execute the attribute of paragraph tag practically, let us also understand about HR tag, means horizontal rule tag. The HR in HTML stands for horizontal rule and is used to insert a horizontal rule or a thematic break in an HTML page to divide or separate document sections. Again, children, HR tag is an example of the empty element where it does not come in pairs, means it does not require an end tag. Now let us have a practical understanding of the execution of attributes of paragraph tag. Students, all of us can view two windows on the screen. The input window, that is Notepad, and the output window, that is browser. Let us write the program. As usual, we will be beginning with the basic tags of HTML. Since this program is on attributes of paragraph tag, the title will be attributes of paragraph tag. Now close the title tag. Close the head tag. Open the body tag. Open the paragraph tag. Now let us insert the paragraph from the Word document. Right click copy. Come to the Notepad window. Right click paste and close the paragraph tag. This is the first paragraph. For the second paragraph, once again start with P tag. Paste the same text and close the paragraph tag. For the third paragraph, once again start with P tag, same text and close the P tag. Close the body tag, close the HTML tag. Save the file and refresh it in the browser. Now you see three different paragraphs. All are left aligned. There are no attributes written for it. We will start writing attributes to the paragraph. Come to the Notepad window. P space align is equal to, in the double quotes, you will be writing left. Here, align is the name of the attribute and left is the value of the attribute. Save the file and refresh it on the browser. There are no changes in the browser because by default paragraphs are left aligned. Now come to the second paragraph. P space align is equal to center. Save the file and refresh it on the browser. The second paragraph is center aligned. Similarly, come to the third paragraph. Type P space align is equal to right. Save the file and refresh it on the browser. The third paragraph is right aligned. If we want to insert line between these paragraphs, we'll be using horizontal rule tag. Come to the Notepad window. Type HR at the end of the first paragraph. Save the file and refresh it on the browser. So there is a line between the first and the second paragraph. Similarly, type HR, the second paragraph, save the file and refresh it. Now you can see there is a line between the second and the third paragraph. Now type HR at the end of the third paragraph, file, save, refresh it on the browser. So there is a line, horizontal line. Now we will see the execution of BR tag. We'll start with a fresh paragraph. B tag Sri Ma Valniketan High School. Enter Eastern Express Highway Service Road. Enter Kopri Village. Enter Thane East. Save it and refresh it on the browser. So it has come in a single line, whereas I need break after high school, break after service road, break after Kopri village. How to do this? Come to the notepad window. After high school, type BR. Save and refresh it on the browser. Now there is a break after school. Similarly, type BR after service road. Type BR after Kopri village. Save it and refresh it on the browser. Now you are able to see first line Sri Ma Valniketan High School, second one is Eastern Express Highway Service Road, the third one is Kopri village, and the fourth one is Thane East. So children, practice the program on paragraph tags and its attributes, and also execution of HR tag and BR tag, so that we can learn more such tags and programs in our next session. Thank you.